In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create Fairmoney account. So let's say you are just interested in creating the account. So all you just need to do is just follow this process. So once you open or download the Fairmoney app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, the next page you're going to see is just this right here. So here I'm going to click on sign up down below. So I'm going to click on sign up. I'm going to provide your mobile phone number right there. You can see this phone number I literally want to use. This phone number. Then the next thing I'm going to click on this arrow down here. So once you click on that arrow, they're going to send a code to your phone number right that you provided. So I'm waiting for that phone number to be received. Then I'm gonna proceed on to the next one, and if I don't get the OTP, I'm gonna dial this phone number right there as they said. Then probably I'm gonna get the OTP just like that. You can see verify phone number, please enter OTP sent to this phone number. Then the code is not yet in, so I'm gonna be waiting for that. And if this time lapse, which is 18 seconds, so if time lapse, I'm gonna proceed on to dial this number, or if there's any option to try to get a new code again, then I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna wait for this to load and see if I'm gonna get a code. So you can see right there the code is not coming in, so I can click on resend OTP. So I've requested for the OTP again, so I'm gonna wait for that to load. But then I can still receive the OTP. So let me quickly dial the code on my phone and see if that will solve the issue. So star 566 star 15 star 99 hash. Okay, so I just dialed the code. So let's see what pops up. And if that number is not working, then maybe I'm gonna try another phone number to see. But I feel like I've actually opened this account before, but I don't know exactly what happened. And the code is still loading. I don't know why it's taking much time. So I got an error, that error performing request unknown error. That's the message I got. So I'm gonna try another phone number and see if the issue persists, or maybe I literally use another phone number to sign up on Fairmoney, but then I don't actually believe what's going on. But then if you are able to use a phone number that is allowed and you are able to get an OTP, so you can proceed on to the next one. So let me try another phone number. Alright, so I'm gonna click on next. Okay, so I think I actually registered with this phone number, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just to log in my account. But then if you don't know, or if you haven't signed up on the platform before, so you can just proceed with this same method, and I believe you will be able to register. So probably Etisalat or 9 mobile phone number is not really working, so I try using MTN number, and that is actually working perfectly. So that is exactly what I did. And yes, I'm gonna proceed on to log in my own account on Fairmoney right now.